Welcome to techtravellershub. Today we are going to unbox Xiaomi Redmi A3 smartphone. It's a large 6.71-inch display, 5000 mAh battery, secure fingerprint and face unlock. Redmi A3. It's a very cheap phone, a economy budget phone. This is our phone, and you will get an adapter and USB-C type charging cable in the box. Okay, this is the cable. (5000 mAh battery, 10-watt wired charging supported. This is the adapter. This is the SIM ejector pin. The adapter and the cable was here. We have to unbox to check the phone while buying. Okay, this is the user manual and other guides. Okay, that's all. No back cover inside. Okay, now we are going to check the phone. The phone is also turned on. We have turned on earlier. This is the top side, this is the left side, SIM card tray. This is the bottom side of the phone. The back side is really nice, beautiful camera setup. Okay, forest green, olive green. The display is also good. Okay, it was announced 2024 February and also released on February 23. Dimension 6.63 into 3 into 0.33 inch. Weight 193 gram. Glass front, Gorilla Glass 3. Glass back or silicone polymer back. Eco leather plastic frame. SIM dual SIM, nano SIM supported. IPS display, 90 Hz, 500 nits, HBM, 6.71 inch display. Android 14. MediaTek Helio G36 12nm processor. Micro SD dedicated card slot also available. We are checking the camera of the phone. Okay, the main camera is 8 megapixel wide and 1080 pixel at the 30 frame rate per second video available. The selfie camera is 5 megapixel. Okay, now we are checking the photo quality. Okay, first we are taking a selfie. Okay, the selfie camera quality is not that good because within this budget it is obvious you will not get good photo quality. Okay, it is around 13K BDT. Okay, the display quality is quite good. It's a low budget big screen smartphone and you will not get quality images within this budget, but the outlook of the phone is really good. You will like it. It feels premium. Okay, see the camera setup and the outlook of the phone. It's really good. Viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.